Hi everyone, another day at the farm. My name's Tony. This is T's Journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring that bell notification. Ring that bell notification. We're on our way out to do another ATV run. This time we checking the trails. Rick have since cleared the trail as much as he could. So we're going to ride and check them out. It's a beautiful day. This is April the 3rd, 2022. And it's a nice sunny day, a little breezy. So you see I got my vest on today. It's not as hot, cold as usual. Again, follow us on our journey on the ATV ride and enjoying the day, a beautiful day at the farm. So we're on our way down to the trails to check where he cut down trees. Earlier, the neighbor called him because she said she saw someone on his property camping, well, last night. And he said, so he got up this morning. That's the Blackstein I hung out. So he got up this morning, cut down the trails to go check it out. She said it was her son and her husband. She lost her son and her husband months ago, and she claimed that they were camping out on his property. They really didn't die, but they've been stalking her on his property. So he went to check it out for her, and he's showing me now what he has done in the trails he cut because he asked me that I want to go ATV, and of course I do. So enjoy the ride. This is the neighbor's property line right there, and we check the line, and you'll see the neighbor in a second, and there's a fence there. Rick got off the bike to check to see if we can go down that path. That's what he's doing now. You will see the storefront too. There's a store at the corner. So he's just checking it. I'm pointing that way to see if we can go that way. He said, no, we got to go up that way. Go back up that way. So that's where we're going. I'm doing a little walking, hiking. I'm just hamming it up. That's the tunnel, that's the main road, and the tunnel going from the main road, the bear crosses that. So you go along the main road, you see the store up to the corner of that roof, that building right there is the store. That's the main road. We're about to come up on the neighbor that called and said she saw her husband. He's pointing out cedar trees for me. That's a cedar right there. That's a big cedar, so I can get the wood off and make a cedar closet or something. So he's pointing out the cedar trees to me. That's the view you would see when the trees are down. Beautiful view, the mountains. And when they cut the trees up by the house, I'm going to stop and look at the view a little bit. We finished the ATV ride. Now we're gonna look at the garlic and what's grown and checking out the lettuce and everything. Asparagus over there. Lettuce behind us.
It's good. I don't think any asparagus is coming up. I'm gonna replant that this year. Look at all the leftover spinach from last year. I mean,
where?
Here's kale.
Is that red leaf spinach?
This red leaf lettuce. This is red leaf lettuce.
That's what I say. How come we not eating that?
I know it was out here. They're volunteers. They came up on their own.
So that's what we're gonna have in our salad?
I'll put some in it tomorrow.
Okay. I have some garden salad. Where the kale? Oh, I see the kale. Can we get the kale? Ain't ready to be picked, is it? I love kale.
Oh, look. Here's some.
I love the kale. Is it not ready to be picked?
There's some arugula right there.
Yeah, I see. Because this is where the lettuce was planted last year. Well, can we have some of the kale? Can I get some of the kale?
Look, all through here is lettuce and arugula. Look.
I see. What about this kale here? Maybe you should fence this
This turned
off.
out better than what I planted.
Yeah, let's go weed this. Want me weed it for you?
A lot of red leaf in there.
I know. And arugula. I like this kale. When can I pick it?
You can pick it whenever you want to pick it. I mean, it'll be better if you let it grow a little bit. It's just kicking out, but it's nice and I haven't planted kale. I did plant a little kale
last year. Yeah,
I did.
because I had some.
But this is where it was.
to the asparagus. See if any of that came up. Yeah. Gotta get really some nice warm days for that to come up.
No asparagus yet.
We've been eating one of the asparagus for years. Like you say, you have to replant it every so many years.
I can't complain. This was here for 22 years.
And we ate off a lot of times, and it was really good. There's nothing like fresh.
It still may come up. I got it mulched pretty heavy. But we should be getting something now. I'm going to put the new asparagus patch up that end.
What do you got this trap here for?
Hmm?
What you got these trap here for?
Because that's the rows where the asparagus is.
Oh, you just holding it down.
Keep the weeds down and you
And I said this
down.
trap.
Oh, that and the other one up there was from last year when the rabbits were decimating everything. Well, I'm done.
I'm just looking at the view and enjoying the view. I always enjoy the view out here. So that's why I'm just looking at the view. Look at that view. Top of that mountain. Like I said, when these trees down, you see that top of that mountain where that house is, and it's a bunker up there too, in the mountain. You see rows of it. They about, like Rick said, they about to come through and harvest it within the next year or two, a couple of years. Those trees, and that's a beautiful view. So I got the picture window right there out the bedroom, so we can wake up and see that view in the living room. It's a beautiful view. We just got back from the ATV ride. I enjoyed myself walking the garden to see what have come through. This is T's journey. Again, like, subscribe, and ring that bell notification, and make any comments down below that you might want to hear or have any questions. I look forward to reading your comments and answering them. I enjoy hearing them from you. Till next time, this is T's journey.